Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Deluxe Choker store reviews, and this topic is grabbing a lot of attention in the United Kingdom. And in this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Guys, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So guys, let's know about what this website is basically offering to customers. Guys, from the images, one can easily understand that this website especially deals with all kinds of jewelries, accessories and hoodies, caps and clothing, etc. And now guys, let's check some of their best selling products which are available at reasonable prices. Here you can check the prices too. So you can check those products by visiting their official website. Now guys, let's move further and discuss about their payment policy, for which we need to select some item. Here we go, select the length, color, quantity, add to the cart. Here we go, they only accept a PayPal account. Now guys, let's move further and discuss about the shipping policy, for which we need to go to the delivery and pre-order section. And here they mention that UK based orders are sent first class, signed and tracked 2 and 4 days maximum, and the international based orders are sent first class, signed and tracked 2 to 3 weeks maximum, or sometimes even less. And now guys, let's move further and talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. But before going further, I request you all to like the video, share the video and subscribe our channel, as this will boost our spirit to bring many more such informative videos. And now guys, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or a legit website. So guys, this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Besides this website has been registered on 9th October 2018, and hence this is a new website and not totally reliable. Now guys, if you want to know about this page, let's check into it. Click on the About Us section, and here they mention the all information, that is, hey guys, Deluxe Manager here. Just want to thank you for coming onto our site. We are a homemade jewelries brand. All you see online is made by hand. We are now branching new accessories which we can't wait to share with you all. Happy shopping. And now guys, if you want to know about their contact address, then please click on the contact us section. Guys, here is only an inquiry section, which is a negative point for the website. But if you want to know about the email IDs, here they mention the email IDs. For press inquiries, please contact info@mysite.com. And for the wholesale inquiries, the email ID are the same, that is info@mysite.com. And now guys, let's move further and talk about the social media presence, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And now guys, let's talk about the return and refund policies. Click on the refunds and exchange section. Here they mention, please Note, we only accept returns if the items are damaged or faulty. And if you do return, you are only eligible for a 65% return of the order. Please bear that in mind. Thanks. Please bear in mind we are only a small business and it is not easy for us to accept returns so easily. Due to our pieces being handmade by order, we unfortunately can not offer returns. I do apologize for this. We are unable to offer refunds due to these reasons. Not what you expected. The color is different. Don't like the product. The quality is not what you expected. And now guys, let's move further and talk about the customer reviews. Here they does not mention their customer reviews, but we checked in Google too. There are also not such a customer reviews made by a single customer of this website, which is again a negative point for the website. And now guys, let's move further. And if you ask about the website content quality is all good, so on the basis of above discussion, we can say that it is a genuine product, but we advise you do your own research effectively before investing your time, money in such websites, and you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you.